Alright, so we got the Oracle Oculus by LED headlamps color shifting. This specific model features a full 9-inch LED halo, plus there's a second halo ring, and then you can also even get the middle lamp to color shift as well. So this thing has ultimate options of things that you can use it or to customize it. Here we go. On the side it says the Oracle lighting. Open the box. Here you have like a fuse relay, or it looks like a little relay. On the top, solar. And then here on the inside you have the headlight itself. There's one, you can see it has the 9-inch halo. Then on the interior there's another halo, and then you have the bulb in the middle. And I checked out a lot of reviews on this thing, and it's absolutely beautiful. Got that one. We did also order the BC1 controller to come with this set, which is this right here, the BC1 controller. And what this does is it allows you to get a app on your smartphone, and you'll be able to color or mess with all the colors that you have that come with it through this BC1 controller, which it comes with all of the wiring that you need for it. More wiring. And then also inside here you get an Oracle lighting sticker to go, or decal to go anywhere you want it. Left side here has more wires for the headlamp. As you can see, it has all the connectors on it already. Here for the RGB. And then on the right side here you have all your cables, and you have your second headlight. So tomorrow I'm going to be doing the actual installation of this, and then I'll be back tomorrow so you guys can be able to check that out. Alright, so today we have the Oracle Oculus by LED color shift lights that we're going to do the install on. I'm being on camera. Got my buddy Matt here. He's going to help me out with the wiring so I don't drive down the road and blow this thing up. So first you're going to want to take off your grill, which we went ahead and did that. And to get out the headlights, there's 3 10mm bolts that you have to take out. So I'm gonna grab those really quickly. Once you get those 3 10mm bolts out, the light should come straight out. You have the factory connector on the back. There we go. That's number 1. Like I said, inside the box, a lot of the aftermarket ones have like the 7-inch ones, so I tried to find one that was 9-inch as well. Alright, so there's the new headlights that are going on. Alright, so we got the first one in. It's literally plug and play to get the headlights in. So we just put all the wires back, and we have them running through here. That way they can go underneath. And we're about to zip tie it down right now to run into that side for the power. So I totally forgot to make a video of this while I was installing the light, but the reason I did get the Oculus with the BC1 controller is because the BC1 controller allows you to get the Oracle Colorshift app on your smartphone, and that's how you control the RGB for the halos. So once you download Oracle Colorshift app on your smartphone, you just open it, and then you'll have this interface showing, and then at the top right corner is your on and off. Here at the top, you have your on and off switch. So once you turn that on, that'll activate your RGB on your headlights. And then this is on and off. And then once it's on, you have your pinwheel here, where you can use to shift the colors of what you're wanting to see project onto the actual headlights. And then at the bottom, switch this up a little bit. At the bottom, you have your different modes. So the lightning bolt on the far right is your strobe selector. So if you have it on all color strobe, then all the colors from the RGB will strobe in different patterns. You can do a red strobe with just your red light strobing green, blue, yellow, cyan, and all the other ones. Or you can do all color hop, which is it'll hop from different color to color for the whole headlight itself. Here you have the microphone button, where you can literally have it synced to what you're saying. So you see I'm talking, these lines are getting bigger as I speak. So every time you speak, it'll flash on or flash brighter, and when you're not speaking, like now, when it's low, that means the lights are flashing lower. So you can have it sound sensitive to your phone. Also, you can have it to where it fades, so it'll fade to different colors. And I'll show you all of these once I finish talking about the actual app itself. And you can have it strobe a certain color, or at the bottom, you can do like a red and green fade, red and blue fade, or green and blue fade, and it'll just fade between the colors. Or you can set it at the top one, which is all color fade. Bring it a little closer. All color fade. And then the last mode you have here at the bottom is just your color. So that's the one that I started with, where you can literally pick what color you want the headlights to run at. All right, and then you can hit these presets, which makes it a little easier, or you can do a more custom color using the color wheel that you have above the preset colors. So this is the app, and this is what I use with the BC1 controller that's connected to the Jeep, and that's what helps me with choosing what kind of RGB pattern or light color that I want projected onto the headlights themselves. So if you guys did like and enjoy the video, make sure you guys drop a sub to the channel and turn the notifications on. That way you guys can stay up to date whenever I do upload anything to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. It's been really fun getting these headlights installed. I am going to be cutting my fenders and doing a fender chop with a daytime running light on the sides next. So make sure you guys stay tuned and check that out. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.